Tom Barron? It's Herbert Swing, the doctor from the Noise Detection Center.
Yes?
I'm sorry I'm running a bit late, but I think we can still get things done.
Come in, it's open.
Okay.
It's pretty late to be up, let alone working.
Yeah, you tend to be a bit of a night owl in this business.
Well, it's all quiet now, but it won't be in 5 minutes.
Actually, it's not really that quiet at all. We're definitely going to have to bring the decibel level down in here for sure. Do you mind if I put on my hat cam with the microphone? I just want to use this for my personal records. It won't end up on the internet or anything like that. Okay, we got a standard Regal layout here, probably built in the mid-50s. Mid-pile carpeting, that's good. I hear hot water heating. Got a drip here in the sink. Just turn that sucker off as well. Ooh, here's an oldie but a goodie. Sounds like the original motor. Sounds like she's gonna blow. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn off the fridge, but I'm gonna put my keys in here first to remind me to turn it back on before I leave. Standard old trick of the trade.
It comes from the living room ceiling.
They usually do. Let me get my bag. Once we get a recording of the noise itself, we can decide where we go from there. You have a very interesting case, Tom. Every night at 2 a.m.?
Yes.
Where are you usually situated when the event occurs?
The last few months? Right here on the sofa.
Okay, well, why don't you take your seat then? Okay. Are you currently taking any medications, legal or otherwise?
No.
No?
I don't need any.
Do you have a regular GP?
A doctor? No. I go to the clinic once in a blue moon.
And has anybody else ever heard this strange noise before?
No. I live alone.
Great.
What is that?
That is the mass detector. It detects mass. Basically, it gives a very good picture of the noise culprit.
So I can see what's making the noise?
Yeah, and why it's bothering you. Guaranteed. Okay, one other thing, the headset here is connected to an EEG machine, which is going to be recording your brain activity. This is going to give us that all-important correlation between what you are hearing and what it is that you are thinking. Yeah. Oh, by the way, do you have any problem with epileptic seizures?
No.
Good.
That was it.
Oh, yes, you definitely have a flup-like noise going on there for sure. Okay, let's see what your brain is doing now, huh? Oh, yeah, this is very interesting. This is a Rorschach psycho mass. Did you want to take a look at this?
Sure. I guess. Oh, God. What is this?
It's just a picture of your subconscious. Just relax. Just relax. What do you see?
Tommy, why are you always awake when I get home? You should be asleep by the time Mommy gets home from work.
What's going on? I didn't ask to be analyzed. Your ad said you'd simply find out the cause of the noise and get rid of it.
Yes, and I'm here to help you in any way I can, just like I help many other of my clients. We can either solve the noise problem, or we can stop everything right here.
What's being printed?
Oh, the mouse detector is finished printing the image. Now we can really find out what's causing the noise upstairs.
I don't want to be a part of your experiment. I just
find this very interesting.
Therapy never works.
The pipes are causing
I don't
the
think my
noise.
mother has anything to do with this.
It's pipes. The noise is coming from your pipes from your old Montana hot water heating system.
Same time every night?
The Montana is timed to bleed the system in a 24-hour interval. The flup-like sound is from the water changing direction.
That's it?
I think so. Now I can kill that flup-like noise with a simple little device I like to call the frequency neutralizer. I guarantee you'll never hear it again. Okay, my work is done here. Let me get my keys. I'm sorry if I scared you there a little bit, Tom, but that data is probably going to come in handy one day. Remember, house calls are always free. Just give me an email and I will be over in a jiffy, thank you.
I sure hope this works.
It does.
It's open.
Hey, Tom. Did we have a little hiccup? Is the noise back?
No. The device is working fine. I haven't heard a thing.
Oh.
But I know it's there. She is always there.
And who would she be?
That woman upstairs.
Well, maybe I could contact the manager and
The
perhaps...
manager never does anything.
Well, I could talk to the lady upstairs.
It's time.
Tom, don't you guess
I'm gonna get this bitch. You have got to stop this now!
Good morning, Tom. I'm sure you feel great and slept well for a change. I removed the ceiling device because you no longer need it. The noise is gone forever. You conquered your phobia, and I've done my job.
Sleep won't come for me through your frequencies, and I can't drown you out, so I surrender to your white noise.